Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher could not be found FiveM. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you are seeing this error, it usually means that FiveM cannot detect your official GTA 5 installation or the Rockstar Games Launcher. Since FiveM requires a legitimate copy of both the game and the launcher, they must be installed and set up correctly on your system. The first thing you should do is make sure that the Rockstar Games Launcher is installed on your computer. If it is missing, go to the official Rockstar Games website and download the Rockstar Games Launcher from there. Once it is installed, open the launcher and log into your account to confirm that it is working properly. After logging in, launch GTA 5 at least once directly from the Rockstar Games Launcher. This step is important because it verifies the game files and creates the necessary registry entries so that FiveM can properly detect the game. If the launcher and game are already installed, but FiveM still cannot detect them, try running both programs as administrator. Locate the Rockstar Games Launcher and the FiveM application on your computer. Right-click on each one and select Run as Administrator. This can often resolve detection issues. Another thing you can try is verifying the game files through the Rockstar Games Launcher. Open the launcher, go to Settings, then select My Installed Games, choose GTA 5, and click on Verify Integrity. This will check your game files and repair any missing or corrupted files. If none of these solutions work, you can try reinstalling FiveM. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type %local app data % and press OK. This will open the local app data folder. Inside this folder, find the FiveM folder and remove it. After that, reinstall FiveM the same way you originally installed it. Once you have completed these steps, restart your computer. After the restart, open the Rockstar Games Launcher first and then launch FiveM. This usually fixes the detection problem and allows FiveM to recognize your Rockstar Games installation properly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Rockstar Games Launcher could not be found FiveM. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.